respected teachers and dear fellows, Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. Today I have the honor to speak on the most beautiful topic, Siratul Nabi Kareem Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The life of our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Dear brothers and teachers, when the world was in darkness, when injustice and ignorance ruled the hearts, Allah Ta'ala sent His last and final messenger, and Rahmatullahi, a mercy for all the world. His sirat, his life is not just a history. It's a light, a guide, and a complete code of life. As a child, he was known as Ameen, as Sadiq, the trustworthy, the truthful. As a youth, he was an example of honesty and beauty. As a prophet, he showed patience in hardship, forgiveness in power, and kindness to friend and enemy alike. The Prophet Muhammad taught us, spread salam, feed the hungry, speak the truth, and stand for justice. Showed us that the best among us is the one with the best character. Dear friends, today the Gaza is facing from trials and disaster. Thousands of families have lost their home, their food. Teachers insert them what does the Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said. The Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, the most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to others. This means helping the needy, feeding the hungry, and standing with the suffering, not only charity. But it's a sunnah, it is the law of Rasulullah. Following in means living with honesty, mercy, and taqwa, and rushing to help people in their time of need. May Allah grant us the certainty to live our life according to the Sunnah of Nabi Sallallahu, and may protect the Gaza and all Muslims from trials and disaster. Wa Alaikum.